All right, I've got a lot of questions about Flux, both live streams, YouTube comments, and Twitter, so let's dive into it. Okay, I'm starting on the weekly chart with an EMA fill. Oh, wow. This is not what I would have expected. This is actually, well, fucking A. Wow. Honestly, I'm going to add this to the strong candidates that this might go opposite of Bitcoin as Bitcoin keeps going down. This is your bull market cross right here on Bitcoin. There is a strong chance that this was the bottom for Flux, this bear market. And in that statement, I need you to bake in that this box, I'm defining the bottom as this. So technically, from the bottom of what it is this year, it could go down 16% more in that. But within this box, I think that there's a strong chance this entire rest of the bear market, this box is as low as it goes. You just had the weekly cross, the bullish macro cross to the upside. This is not even Ethereum. I don't even think Ethereum got close to having that cross. And Ethereum just went up 130%. Yeah, look at there. Look at this. Here, let me take off. Let's see here. There it is. I wonder why it wouldn't go away. So look, Ethereum didn't even get close to getting that cross. Not even close. It, like, takeoff price, it barely put a dent in it. You see that? Imagine like this is a car door and you're mad and you punch it. Don't try that at home. It barely made a dent. Right? And Flux is over here kicking some, honestly, that's a big deal. I did not know this was happening on Flux. This is probably something that you need, that, you know, if you're not familiar with Flux, which I'm in that boat of people, you might want to at least know what it is. This is a strong candidate that this could be a chain link of 2023, where the market is going down slowly, or through 2022, 2023. This could keep going up and make all-time highs. That doesn't seal the deal. Fake outs on this, like on Bitcoin, it did happen in 2015. It crossed once, fake out, redoubled the low 250 days later, which we discovered, then went up. It is possible that happens, but I still think 3263, there's a damn I think it's over 50% chance that the price of Flux will not go below there this entire bear market. Because that cross could fake out, but that's as low as, and honestly, if I see Flux down at 32 cents or 33 cents, I think I'm going to be buying it, because it's doing this means Flux could be a first mover. Like, once Bitcoin bottoms, close a couple weeks above the weekly 10 EMA to in prep for the bull run, this is going to move fast, because there are buyers in a bear market for this. So what do you think is going to happen when Bitcoin starts going up, like macro sense? It's going to go up faster, and it's going to go up faster than almost anything else, because there are already buyers interested in the bear market. Do you see Solana making this stuff happen? Hell, it's not even happened for Ethereum. I just showed you that, right? And Solana's been a dog compared to Ethereum. This is going to go up before Solana does in the bull market, as of now, unless something crazy changes. But as of now, this will be a first mover before even Solana. That could change, but as of now, that is a probable statement. This is impressive. I don't think I want to do short-term price analysis for this. Because if I guess to the upside, you know, it could. I don't think I want to do short-term stuff on this. But if I could take a smack at it, a stab. I said smack. Let's take a stab at it. I would say it's safe as long as it is above Like, I would not expect it to come down to this box down here at 41 cents. I think it's healthy even if it comes to this area here. I would still think it has a good chance of making higher local highs after that. It could just consolidate in this area from a midterm time frame standpoint. I'm not going to go over what's going to happen today, tomorrow, but over the month of September, if it can hold 81 cents, it can easily make a new local highs in October. Now, if it does break 81 cents, well, then, you're probably on your way to do, to hit this box later in the year or early 2023. But as long as 81's held, I think it could keep making higher local highs. Once 82 is broken, makes a low, use it as resistance. Here, let me show you. Let me draw it out. I don't deal with closures anymore on breakouts because traditional finance they use it to set you up. It's all about the structure on even 5-minute candles. As it breaks 81, it'll do it with some type of acceleration, right? It'll make a local low. Then it'll mosey up and get rejected or do a failure pattern at this line. But at the exact moment, you don't know if it's going to keep going up or not. It's when it finally comes back down and takes out the first, I'll zoom in, the first low. So let's zoom way in here. It's when it takes out that first low it made from coming below after getting rejected. That's when it accelerates. It's not a daily closure, nothing. Like, closures and stuff, honestly, are just there to fake you out. It's to trick people. Yeah, it's literally just, it's just used to trap people, in my opinion. So it's all about the short-term time frame structure. And you can use this method on the 1 hour, the 5-minute. Obviously, the higher the candle, you use up to an hourly is probably better. So from 5 minutes to 1 hour, taking out the low that it makes below here, that's when it'll start accelerating down to that box. But if 82 cents is held, I can honestly, it would not be out of the question that this high is taken out over the course of, the rest of 2022. So 82 is a big number to watch out for because it can make a big difference in this bear market for this coin. Yeah, this is strong. I'm kind of sold at this point. It just had a macro bullish cross in a bear market. That's a big ass deal. I don't know if I'm communicating clearly, like how big of a deal that is. And I don't own any of this. I don't even know what Flux does. So I'm not shilling this stuff. Like, in this charts, that's impressive. And you need to pay attention at least to the point of, I know what Flux does. I strongly recommend that. Because I sure as hell will. That's something else. All right, yeah, Flux. I think I'm gonna learn about it for sure. I won't chill it on my channel, but that's something else. All right, yeah, done with Flux.